Once you have added a finished product, you'll see these other tabs populate. If you click on the Recipe tab, this is where you can add materials inventory and assign them to the finished good. So you'll look for the items that make up the product, and you'll enter what the quantity is needed to make it. Here you can change your pricing, so if you have different pricing models, you can change that. And it will populate based on the markups in that pricing formula what you should actually be selling it for. So then here you can say, oh gosh, that was way underpriced what I had as a default, and change it. Or if you want it to end in a certain number, like 99 cents, you can always do that here. So it's consistent with your branding. Now the product details have been updated. So now you know how to assign materials inventory to a finished product.